Hey guys, sorry for those two weird videos too. I was like, like I was laughing, and my brother, he was doing a flopping noise with his cheeks apparently. So we decided to record it and see what our reactions would be, and it turned out weird. I posted it. Don't worry. So you can watch that. And also, so basically, I'm going to post a video right now. Actually, I'm going to record, post it. It takes about 2 hours to post videos, 1 to 2 hours. Soon I got to do school, like in a few hours. So, I hope you uh, enjoyed the. Sorry for that stutter. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed all my videos so far. I just started my YouTube, same with my brother. I'll put his link in the description site for any type of stutter I do, but I'll put the link in the description. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Peace out.